Hello, in this video we are going to create a registration form and embed it in the SharePoint page, easily using Spark Forms web part. You can have fully functioning forms inside your SharePoint, and provide multiple functionalities to your users from a single page. Also, we are going to see how to send email through your form, to any user, internal user or external user. Previously we have created this registration SharePoint list. To learn how to create a list in SharePoint in detail, watch the tutorial video in the description below. Now we are going to create the registration form for it. As you see here in our list, there is a link to Spark Forms Builder. You will find this link in every single list or library on your SharePoint. So, from here, the form that we are going to be created is linked to the list without any configuration from our side. Click on Spark Forms Builder. Now from the Spark Forms Builder, we are going to create and design the registration form. Let's drag and drop the design elements quickly from the toolbox panel. Let's now drag and drop the fields. If you want to learn how to customize the design for the form in detail, you can watch the tutorial video in the description below. After finishing designing the registration form, we are going to create and design an email template to be sent to users once they register. From Settings ribbon, click on Email Templates. Create a new template. Enter template name. We can add text and style it. And add tables in the email. Now we are going to add the labels and the forms controls. The email templates are fully dynamic, and can be configured to get data from the forms controls and variables. Let's do some style. And save. And here the template is ready to use. Through the Submit button we are going to add the Send Email function. As we see here we have the Save function. Let's see the function. From the top ribbon, click on Control Rules. Click on the Save Form rule. In Spark Forms there is a special function for the Submit form. This function is ready to use to save the form in a list or library, without the need to do anything else or to write any code. Now we are going to use the internal Send Mail function, to send the email template to users and external emails as well. In the Action text box, from Functions, we search for function Send Mail. If you want to learn more about the function you can see the function description. From Function Wizard, we are going to set the email address to send the email to. We can add the email from the dynamic data list or static. Adding the subject. From Name, Replay to. Select the template name. Then OK. By using this functionality you will not need to create workflows to send emails anymore, and consume unnecessary resources in your environment. Then save. Great! We have finished designing the form, and the email template. So we are going to publish it to be ready to use. Now we are going to main page. Now we are going to add Spark Forms web part in the main of the page, to embed the registration form. Click on Edit Page. From Insert Ribbon, click on Web Part. Select Spark Forms Web Part. Then click on Add. Now we are going to edit the web part. Click on Edit the web part. Modify the appearance like title, height, width, and Chrome type. In Spark Form Web Part Settings, we are going to add the form URL. We are going to copy the form URL from the registration form list. Click on New. Copy the new form URL to be included in the web part, and paste the URL here. If you want to show ribbon, or hide it, then click OK. Then save the page. And the web part is ready. Let's enter the data quickly. And here is the email that has been sent. This is how we embed a SharePoint form in the SharePoint page, easily using Spark Forms web part. We also saw how to create this form, and how to design a fully dynamic email template, to be sent to users once the form is submitted. Follow us to learn more about advances used for SharePoint and Spark Forms. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and if you have a comment please write it down. Thank you.